You can cheat on me twice, boy, go live your life. If you thought I could move on, boy, oh, you were wrong. Those are not the lyrics, but the song is fire.
You have loga, facing over. You have been one less than a muguzi. Oh, wami, oh, wami. Oh, wami, oh, wami. Oh, wami, oh, wami. Oh, wami, oh, wami.
I don't know why haters be telling me to mind my business when they're out here not minding theirs. Shut your mouth and enjoy the tea. We all know you're here for it, sis. Hi, my ninjas. How are you guys doing? It's Ogolo. I'm Shongwane, aka Miss Fear Focal. But back for entertainment. If it's a person joining me, you're most definitely welcome. Please do subscribe and of course hit the bell. I absolutely love it. Do not forget to follow me on Instagram. It's at Shongwane. Okay. Now, of course, you guys do know that last week I came up with the video and I was reacting to a guy that is alleged to be DJ Zinhle's new man, who is Murder Box. Yes, honey. Okay. Muga has been posting flowers. Muga has been very happy. Muga is showing radiance of I am loved, honey, okay? But when was it? Day before yesterday for you guys. She actually, you guys, on her stories, she actually posted this video, and I'd like to say thank you so much to a ninja who came through for me, because I was in bed, you guys, when a ninja sent me to say, oh, let me look, and when I went there, I was like, I'm not waking up and going to my laptop to download. I was already in bed, so I took screenshots. But then, you know, another ninja was like, oh, Wami, do you need the hookup? I was like, this is why I love you guys. So thank you so much for the hookup, Mugel, of the video. So let's go ahead and watch it right now.
Lights.
I'm sure it was too quick, so let's go ahead and rewatch it in slow. Guys, that's Murder Box, obviously. I mean, it seems like, you know, maybe this is a confirmation that they are together. I am happy for them, you guys. As I said in my previous video, I will be very much happy for them. I mean, she deserves happiness, you guys, and who knows, maybe, you know, this will be the one. Yeah, I'm really just happy. I'm really just happy for them. And another thing, again, I feel like, you know, then it should mean that things are getting a little bit more serious. If obviously, you know, she's now on her Insta stories, basically, you know, showing us him. He seems like a really fun guy, you guys. He seems like a, you know, a fun guy. He loves dancing. That's all I told you guys. I'm sure I'll put some of his videos here of him just dancing, and you guys will say, but I'll kill the music, so I'll try find a background music that suits. But he loves dancing, you guys, and he just seems like someone that is full of life. So Zinhle definitely needs someone like that, you guys. I mean, I don't think that it works, honey. Okay, now watch these videos and I'll be back with the rest of my commentary. Now, obviously, as I said, you guys watch them. Like, he does seem like a really cool guy. We'll see how this goes. And so, of course, you guys know I'm here. I'll be reporting all the shui, honey, okay? So, don't be worried. You'll get the scoop. Anyway, my ninjas, go and comment down below what you guys think of this whole situation. And let's move on to the next topic. Now, you guys, Dr. Musa and his, I guess, girlfriend, it seems like they have split. You guys do remember I did a video basically exposing who Mugirl was, because, you know, they kept on doing pictures where, you know, her face was covered. It was like, you know, she was not supposed to be seen. Thou shall not see her. But it seems like they've deleted each other's pictures, you guys. And honestly, all I have to say is Mujolo ki faitu. Mujolo ki faitu babetu. Ndi faidugu. Mujolo. You interpret it however you want. But you see Faiduk. That's Mjolo for you. And I'm not laughing at them. I'm laughing at the Faiduk situation. But I feel like, you know, life now, especially in 2020, is just at that level where you try hide your relationship. Hey, unzima, like that. You are open, it's even harder. You know, you try to keep it low. It's just like, when it comes to relationships, honestly, at this moment, relationship can fight too. They tried obviously to hide it, you know, they were not popping, you know, on Instagram or social media, showing off and everything all the time and all that. But it still seems like, you know, things didn't go well. Muka has been, you know, doing some stories that are a little bit like, you know, are you talking about him? What's going on? But at the end of the day, I do feel like, you know, they both know what would have happened. They both know why, you know, them pictures, some pictures or pictures ain't there no more. As long as they're both okay, you guys, like, we just need to know, you know, let's just keep it moving, okay? But my advice would always be, if you date a guy with this character and it doesn't work, change the character. Don't just change the looks, because I feel like sometimes, you know, you are looking for your ex's replacement, yet the person is your ex because things were not working. So, you know, how can I say this? Like, the way the person is, the personality, that's the thing you need to change. So if you were with someone that's very loud, go for someone that's very quiet. Like, change personalities. Don't just change faces, because you're going nowhere when you do that. You were with Uhlanya here, you're still looking for Uhlanya. It's not going to work, okay? At least if you have Uhlanya, get someone whose head is a little bit cooled. You know, once you see hi now, go to something different, maybe the middle, maybe, you know. But if you keep on going, you know, this industry guide, entertainment industry guide didn't work, you go again for another one, you go again for another one. You are basically crazy, because, you know, this is what they say, like Frankenstein, craziness is doing the same thing twice and expecting different results. So, you know, those are just one of those things. Mujolo if I do, yeah, things are hard. But anyway, I hope they're both okay, you guys. I feel like they're both okay. I mean, it was not that long since they started posting the pictures, so how long was that relationship and all that? But I do understand, like, you know, relationship, heartbreak and all that can be something that's very difficult. But yeah. Anyway, go ahead and comment down below about the situation. You guys wanted me to talk about this so much, so I finally did, my ninjas. You can rest now, and let's move on to the last topic. Now, the last topic, you guys, are going to be talking about Black Coffee and, of course, Enhle Mbali. Now, of course, you guys do remember that, you know, there was the whole Jada, Will Smith, and August Mastina Mabrigado. If you watch the video, you will understand what I'm talking about. And so I saw some people actually saying the way that Will Smith and Jada Pinkett actually came to the red table and talk, they want Enhle Mbali and Black Coffee to come to the red table and talk. And I was just sitting out here and I was like, who the hell do you think Enhle Mbali and Black Coffee are, honey? Okay, that kind of shende is only seen in America, because Americans actually do understand what it means to be a celebrity. Will not lie, African celebrities, most of them, like, they're just by a papela, this thing you be a celebrity. But American celebrities, you guys, they know exactly what it means to be a celebrity. They understand that once you become a celebrity, you're a public figure, and being a public figure means you are umuntu wabantu. You get it? Yeah, you're no longer just, me. I mean, Will Smith and Jada could have simply had the same conversation that they had in private and no one would have ever had to see that. Do you think they didn't have that conversation first in private? Of course they did, but they knew they had to come out in public to talk about this issue because they knew it was now public knowledge and the public figures. So do I ever see Black Coffee and Mbali actually having a red table talk? Hell no. Do I ever even see them going into an interview where someone is actually interviewing both of them? Hell no. You ain't going to get that, honey. I bet you $10. If they ever do that, I'll give somebody $10. I'm being honest with you. But anyway, my ninjas, that's all for today. I'm extremely tired. There's a lot of videos that I actually did record today. And yeah, my ninjas, please do not forget to thumbs up this video and obviously share. It helps the channel a lot. If you don't have anything to say, please just say ninja signing in. It helps. It goes a long way. And yeah, my ninjas, do not forget to also press the bell so that each time I upload you get notified and you get them girls there on time. I love you, my ninjas. Stay blessed and I'll see you guys in my next upload. Bye.